Hello everybody, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube creative studio. My name is Sonia and this is my YouTube channel Nebeská Crochet with Love. And today I again visited my favorite local shop and I would like to show you what I found. You see, I found this very specific yarn. Maybe you know this yarn. It's ruffled yarn. This yarn is absolutely perfect for your creativity and fantasy. I will show you the yarn which I found, and then I will show you how to work with them in detail, and I'll give you a recommendation what you can create. And look at this first yarn. It's always combination of white and black color, and there is one additional one. It's pink, violet, red, blue or green. Oh, this is my very favorite yarn. It's yarn Megan. And let's look at the colors combination. You see, they are really nicely combined. Look at this, for example. This is a nice combination of light, dark blue and like a petrol green, and this is the blue one. And this is a really nice and very soft yarn Molly. Again, look at the colors, they are so nice. Have you already tried this ruffle yarn, or do you have some experience with this one? Is Daniela, and there, look at this, there is always a shiny silver yarn in between, so you can choose one color or combination of colors like this, white and black and gray. And this is very delicious luxury yarn in black and silver. I absolutely love it, and I will definitely buy some pieces, some balls, and I will show you how to work with them. So hooray! I'm opening a box and there are 5 balls. This is a ball Vega, which is really tiny. Look at the nice red color, shiny red color. It's perfect. This is Lambada. It's nice white, really light ruffle yarn. I think it could be perfect for a summer tunic. This is Linda, which is very similar to Daniela yarn. Yarn I already shown you. Megan is my favorite one. Look at these colors, I love them. And Grace, again, this is my favorite yarn, which is absolutely perfect, for example, for skirts or bags. You can buy this box, 5 balls, or 1 by 1. Okay, I will show you details. Definitely you can make a very nice scarf or shawl from one ball. It's super easy. It's absolutely perfect for beginners, even your kids will manage to create a scarf. So you can have one scarf from one ball. This is super easy to work with. There are holes on one edge and you can very easily join the holes together. You can join 4, 5 or more, 9 holes together. It depends how long and how dense yarn or scarf you would like to have. Okay, so this is yarn Vega. So yeah, let me show you how to work with them one by one. If you would like to try these yarns, please put the comment in the box below. I have several more balls and I will share them with you. So please leave the comment in the box below this video tutorial, and I'm so happy to share these balls with you, with my subscribers, as a gift. So let's look at this yarn, Daniela. You see there are holes on the top. You can use very easily your crochet hook and put it from front to back, insert the hook from front to back several times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. You can put more or less loops on the hook and then pull the loops through the first loop on your hook, like this. Super easy. And then you can repeat it. You can, if you want to have your scarf longer, so put on your hook less loops. I guess 4 or 5 will be fine. Or if you want to have a shorter and dense shawl, just put more loops on the hook and pull the loop, the first loop, through all of them and also through the last loop. So what do you think? Have you tried this ruffle yarn already? Please let me know, and I will be really happy if you will share what you created. I think the scarves and shawls, they are the easiest things which you can create. I saw so many things created from ruffled yarns. You can create a nice brooch, you can make earrings, also headbands. I saw a perfect bags. They are, I think they would be amazing for girls. So many, and every one is original. Let's look at this yarn, Vega. It's really tiny. There are so many holes, so the scarf will be very light, but I think it will look luxury and delicate. Again, you can use the same instructions, just put 4, 5, 6 loops on your hook. You can also use the needles. You can also use only your hands to work with this yarn and pull the loop, the first loop, through all loops on your hook, and look at this result. It's so light and soft, very pleasant. It could be a nice scarf for women and girls as well. And this is my favorite yarn, Grace. Look at this. It's also very light. There are so many holes. I like this colors combination, and you can very easily create the scarf. You already know how to do it, but you can also attach this yarn on some models you will create. For example, you can attach this ruffled yarn on the skirt and create a nice ruffled skirt, or on the tunic. You can create a nice summer tunic, or on the top, summer tops, summer dresses. Everything for summer could be perfect working with this yarn. You can very easily join the normal or standard yarn you like and use or attach this ruffled yarn when you create a foundation chain. You can also attach when you work on single, double, half double crochets. It's absolutely up to you. Or you can crochet a part of your, let's say, skirt and then attach this ruffled yarn. It's super easy. Again, you can join one hole to one stitch, or you can skip one or more holes when you attached this ruffled yarn, like this. This yarn is amazing and it's easy to work with. You just have to be careful to join the edge or the top of the ruffled yarn, okay, and make sure it's not twisted, and in a while you will have a cute ruffled skirt. Okay, so this is just an example how you can work with this ruffled yarns, and I definitely could say it's super easy, and even your kids can easily work with this yarn. Okay, and I would be really happy if you already tried this ruffled yarn, or if you would like to try them, and what would you like to create with a ruffled yarn. So please let me know. I always love your feedback and I'm looking forward to hearing from you. I'm so excited. You see, you can easily turn your work and just continue crocheting. So you can make double crochets, for example, and join the last loops on your hook like this with ruffled yarn. So you have to just insert the hook into the hole of the ruffled yarn and finish a double crochet as you normally would do. And this is it. So I will prepare some video tutorial for skirt or maybe summer tunic for you later on. Now I will practice and I will try some patterns and so, and I will share definitely on the summer. So are you looking forward to it? I hope so. There are so many options what you can create. You can play with this yarn. My friend, for example, she created a nice summer poncho, and she also created a nice pillow color. It looks so romantic and it's so soft. So yeah, it's this yarn is super perfect for your creativity, for your fantasy. There are no limits. You can create everything. So yeah, I just finished the row with this ruffled yarn. Look at this. I think it looks perfect, so I will continue, and I think the skirt will be super cute. And at the end of this video, let me introduce you this very smart girl. She's so clever and gifted. I really admire her. She's very talented, and I gave her a yarn lambada and yarn Megan, and she created a scarf in about an hour. So I was so surprised. You see how she can very easily, you see, pull the loops over them, and I think everyone, every little girl can try it and create very quickly a nice scarf. So this is the end of my video tutorial, my crochet friends. I would like to thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please give me your thumb up and don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel, and I will be really happy if you will share and comment this video. And yeah, enjoy. Wish you happy crocheting. Take care and bye for now. Bye bye.